Hey there, this is Luis from Coding Time. I was going through, I was working on a project and going through to an issue where I had to get some coordinates from places, and I was wondering if I could have all the list of coordinates and take off the values where I got not a number. Okay, now I just created this file and I made an array of objects where each object had the latitude and longitude values, including the not a number coordinate values. Okay, now first of all, I had to check and map to each value. First, we need to create a constant to save. If you put this mark, the question mark, to be sure that we got this place. Okay, so first of all we map, and for each place we just got the callback function and create an array of objects. So if we use map, we get back an object, okay, where we can name it like place that latitude, all of the latitude, and longitude as place that longitude. Okay, just like that. And after that we just simply console.log what are we getting. Let's say coordinates including and values. Okay, and then we just simply coordinates. Okay, we just save it. Here in the console we got an array of 10 objects, including latitude, longitude. We see that the number 4, we got the non a number. Okay, now what if we wanted to get a center of all these places and display, for example, in a map? Okay, we need to exclude this non a number, because if we need the center, we also going to get not a number. Okay, and we don't want that. Okay, for that we can use, instead of simply map, we just combine this method flatMap more efficiently. Why? Because it's more efficient than call map and flat separately. Okay, first of all, it can be used to add or remove an item during the map, and we can modify the list of items, the number of elements into array. It could be 0, it could be 1, it could be many to many. The important thing is to exclude the values we don't want to use, okay, and affect the result. Okay, fine. Now, how we can do that? Okay, first of all, we create let's simply map places that flat map. Here, if we select it, we can we read calls a defined callback function on each element of an array, then flattens the result into a new array. This is identical to a map followed by flat with the one. Okay, so let's continue. We can say that for each object, okay, we just call a function and say that if we got an object that latitude, okay, and object that longitude, okay, if we got that, okay, what we can do, okay, we just say that we can have latitude as object that latitude, okay, and longitude as object that longitude. Okay, fine. Otherwise, we can get an empty array. Okay, fine. That means that if we don't get these values as a number, we just get an empty array. Okay, now after that we just need to know what are we getting as coordinates, excluding and here flat values. Okay, and also coordinates. Fine. Be sure to save it into a variable. Let coordinates is equal okay, and save it. Now let's say new coordinates. Okay, fine. Now what we got here, as you can see, we modify the number of our items, and in the first case we just map it and got the not a number value. Okay, but instead here, as you can see, we got all the values without not a number, and that was the thing we wanted. Okay, now this is all for now. Let's grab all this out and remember that flatMap is more efficient than calling map and float separately. Okay, bye bye.